Hey guys, my name is Greg Dineo, and today I'm going to show you how you can use an Unpop box to promote a survey that you have, so that way you can find out more about your readers and custom tailor your content to what your readers are interested in. What you're looking at right now is the standard WordPress dashboard. The first thing that you want to do is create your survey, and I'm going to do that for free using Google Docs. And if you don't know how to do that, it's really simple, and I'll show you right now. You want to log into your Google account and then click on Drive. This is going to bring up all of your Google Docs options. You're going to want to go to the Create button right here, click Create, drag down, and then you want to create your survey using the Form option here. I'll actually create the survey using the default, but you could actually choose any one of these designs, but I'll just stick with default. Click OK, and now you're ready to design your survey and create the questions and things like that. Now, this is really easy. You simply follow the instructions. You can insert the title of the question here. You can choose the type of question that you want it to be, multiple choice. Do you want them to answer in a single text word or paragraph text, scale, grid, things along those lines. There's a lot of options that you can play around with. But through the power of video, I'm going to fast forward this process and create a quick survey so that way we can actually show you how to promote it using Unpop. So I just created a simple 2-question survey, the first question being, are you a full-time blogger? And they're going to answer their question right here. I probably could have made this a multiple choice question, but I wanted to show you some variety. So they would just type in the word yes or no. Then I went down here and created a multiple choice question and said, what is your greatest blogging challenge? And then they could click on traffic, getting subscribers, or monetizing. And that's simply my survey. And now that I'm done my survey, I would click send form up here. And this will allow me to share it and embed it and get my link and everything like that. Now that we created our survey, we're going to go back to the WordPress dashboard and create our Unpop box. To do that, you go to Unpop Boxes tab and then click Add New. We're going to add a title to the Unpop box called Greg's Survey. And then we're going to come back down here and add a headline. So our headline is going to be, we need your help. And then I'm going to add some text. We need help making content for you. Take our survey. Now, if this was going to be a real Unpop box that I was going to put on the blog, I would think a lot harder about the type of content that I'm creating here. But since this is just a demo, this will work for right now. After you create your headline and the content, you're going to go to the Unpop box placement box and choose where you want the Unpop box to come up. So for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to have it come up on the entire site, but you can customize it to come up on only the home page or only a category page, so on and so forth. But I'm going to have it come up on just the entire site. Now we're ready to set up our timing options. So we scroll down to the Unpop box timing box and we're able to set up when the reader sees our Unpop box. For the first category, I'm just going to leave that as blank as the default, and then who should see it again, I'm going to leave that as the default as well. How many times should a reader visit the page before seeing the box for the first time? I'm actually going to click 0 here. How many seconds after the page loads should the box delay before appearing? Again, I'm going to click 0 because I want the box to load immediately when the person comes to the blog. And how many times should the box display again in the future? I'm going to click 1,000. Now we're ready to create our web form and our button. So to do that, we go to the Unpop box opt-in box here. In the link area, I'm just going to leave this as the default. Here's where it sort of gets a little bit different from yesterday. In the opt-in function, yesterday we chose email service. Today we're going to choose button only. So now we go to the button text and we say go to survey, and now we have the option to enter our button link URL. So to get the button link URL, we're going to go back to our form, we're going to click this button here, we're going to copy it, we're going to paste it here, and now we have our link. So we want to open this in the new page. We don't need to enter an opt-in confirmation message, and we don't need to enter in an email service. Finally, we're ready to publish our Unpop box. So to do that, we simply go to the top here. If this isn't clicked already, we click Enabled, we click Publish, and then we'll click View Post to actually see it on our blog. And there it is. We need your help. We need help making content for you. Take our survey, then we click Go to Survey, and boom, our survey comes up. Now you know how to promote a survey using Unpop, so that way you can find out more information from your readers and tailor content towards them.